kickstand is up. All right. Yeah, we'll ride on that in a minute, big legend. Right now, learning with Landon is practice. Let's go. Not right now, big legend. Nah, he practicing right now, trying to switch gear.
I think he's going to woods.
That's what he doing.
Yeah, I think he's going to woods.
I could hear it. He's still in first gear.
Okay, Hill way over there in the south. What they mean, Daddy? What do they mean?
He going in first gear. He's still in first. Come on, son. You still in first gear. I can hear it. I can hear it. You still in first gear.
I know that.
I know. That's what I'm telling you. Go practice. Go.
I was going up. I was trying to
Go practice. What's up, big legend? Still in first gear. You say what?
All boys on front and back seat.
That's what it say?
Look.
He's still in first gear. He's still hanging in first gear. What's up, son? You still hanging in first gear?
I think I got in second.
Nah, you'll be able to hear it. Click it all the way down. Put it in neutral. Is it neutral? You in neutral? Alright. Here, I'm gonna put the kickstand down. Alright, go ahead. Sit back on it. Put it in first gear. You'll be able to know in here, too, when you put it in second gear. First gear. Put it in first gear. First gear. Alright. Let's go. Just keep trying, man. That's why you out here. You practicing right now. How you think you're going to be able to learn how to do it if you don't try and practice? Alright, kickstand up. Kickstand is up. He's in first gear. Take off. Still in first. He is still in first. See, son, you hear it though? You know you in first gear because it's like right when you start going fast.
It get too bumpy for me though.
It get too bumpy.
Yeah, over there it get too bumpy when I'm trying to put it in second.
You shouldn't even have to really stand up to do it though. You should be able to just go without standing up. But that's why I'm telling you, that's why you practicing right now. Because I know you ain't just about to come out here and be an expert and just start switching gears. That's why you practicing, son. You in first gear, right? All right. And then when you turn around right here, when you turn around, come past me fast and you gonna hear it. You only in first gear. But that's why you need to be able to switch to second gear. Because if not, you're going to end up messing up the engine. That's why you need to know how to switch gears. That's why we out here training and practicing right now. All right, first gear, go. And then give it some gas. Kickstands up, you good. Go ahead. Alright, what you in now? Huh? You still in first gear? I just saw you trying to click it down like was you trying to click it up or down? Up? Oh, okay, I got you. I see what you was doing. I thought you was coming in trying to click it down. But yeah, man, I mean, like I'm telling you, it's just all about practicing, you know? Kickstand down, kickstand down.